Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you are broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to show you a school in Spain that you can apply to. You can travel to Spain for free. If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you guys from the depth of my heart. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want you to know that I see you. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always leaving a comment. Thank you for always sharing my videos. And if you're new here, oh yeah, that is the culture here. Introduce yourself in comments. Like this video first and foremost. Just like this video and do well to share with your friends. I mean, you don't want to hoard this information, do you? I'm sure you don't. So go ahead and introduce yourself in comments. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And that is about it. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of University of Granada? They offer Becca's MAC and regional government scholarships. They are strong in language studies, they are strong in tourism and environmental sciences. Scholarships may include tuition, housing, and meals. So besties, welcome back to the channel where we turn ambition into action and dreams into degrees. If you have been searching for a way to study in Europe without drowning in tuition fees, today's spotlight is for you because we are talking about the University of Granada, which is a top university in Spain, and they are offering scholarships and full tuition support for international students. I know that sounds really exciting. I'm super excited, like as if it's for me. So you can study in Spain for free through the University of Granada Scholarships 2026. Now let's get into it. The University of Granada, UGR, is one of Spain's oldest and most respected institutions. It was founded in 1531. It is known for its excellence in humanities, in law, in computer science, biomedical research, translation studies, and so much more. And guess what? They're not just offering world-class education, they are offering funding to help you get there. Now, what scholarships are available in case you're wondering? Here is the breakdown of the scholarship ecosystem at the University of Granada. They have fully funded University of Granada scholarship. It's open to students from any nationality, from age 18 to age 60. I'm telling you, it's available for bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. They cover tuition, living expenses, and program support. The fields include art, business, medicine, law, engineering, psychology, and so much more. You also have UGR scholarships for international students, and it includes scholarships, PhD funding, master's support, and it's based on academic merit, it's based on research potential and financial need. Now, the third one is the Erasmus Mobility Grants. It's for students that are participating in exchange or joint programs. They cover tuition, travel, and monthly stipends. It's ideal for students who want to study across multiple European countries. Who can apply? You watching me right now. These scholarships are open to non-EU international students, especially those that are applying for first-year full-time degree-seeking programs. So whether you're coming from Latin America, you're coming from Africa, or Asia, or the Middle East, you are eligible to apply. Here's the best part. You see, many scholarships don't require separate applications. When you apply to the University of Granada, you're automatically considered for several funding options, and here is how to apply. Here's the action plan. So choose your program. Visit the University of Granada website, explore their bachelor's, their master's, and PhD degrees, then prepare your documents. You will need transcripts. Yes, you need your passport, a proof of language proficiency, and a strong personal statement. Please make sure that you always apply before the deadline, because most scholarship applications open in late fall and they close by early spring. So check for additional requirements, because some scholarships may ask for proof of income or academic ranking. And don't worry, I have guidelines and templates to help you write your personal statements and build a winning application. Now, here's the big question. Why choose University of Granada? Let's talk about the experience. See, Granada is a historic city with Moorish architecture, with tapas culture, and a vibrant student life. The university offers affordable tuition, which is around 758 euros per year for undergraduates, modern facilities, and research centers. You also get global student community. I mean, over 4,000 international students annually, support services for international students. Plus, you're going to be studying in a city that is safe, a city that is welcoming and full of opportunities. There are no violence, you know what I mean? And guys, if you're ready to study in Spain, you're ready to get funded, and build your future, University of Granada is waiting for you. It has your name on it. So check out the scholarship links in my description and let me know in the comments if you want help, if you need help choosing the program or preparing your application. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to share this video with someone who needs it, because I have a lot of more videos that are coming your way on scholarships, on grants, and how to study abroad without breaking the bank. So besties, if you are new here and you have not introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and do that. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your massive love. Thank you for your support. Man, I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, but thank you. Thank you, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. To those of you that are seeing me for the very first time, please do not hesitate to let me know your name, yes, and where you are watching from. In my next video, I'm going to share with you another university in Spain. Yes, another full scholarship, full ride scholarship that you can get in Spain. So make sure that you don't miss out on it. If you haven't turned on your notification bell yet, subscribe first. That's the first step. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so that each time I publish a new video, you're among the first to get notified. And on this channel, you already know I'm not here to play. Like, I'm here to share with you all of the juicy details about traveling abroad, studying abroad, and all of the good stuff. And quick one, guys, here are some things that you need to do to aid your application, to aid your scholarship approval. So what you need to do is to always stay ready, so you don't have to get ready. So please start processing your transcripts. There are people who have not even started processing their transcripts and they are watching. Please make sure that you process requests for your transcript from your alma mater, from your university where you graduated, or from your polytechnic where you graduated. And just so you know, for some of you that say, oh, I graduated from a polytechnic, I have a HND or I have OND, can I? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. The way we view HND, especially in Nigeria, is different from the way they recognize it though. Yes, they recognize it. So please don't sleep on these opportunities. If you have your HND, go ahead and apply for your master's degree. Yes. And one thing, if you have a third class, you graduated with a third class, do you know you can just go for a PGD? Yes. Go to any school around you and request for a PGD course. Like, take the class. I think it's about 6 months or something like that. Go and do it, and it's going to nullify your third class. You can now then use it to apply for your master's degree abroad. You're welcome. Yes. Yeah, so if you have a third class, go ahead and enroll for PGD anywhere in any university near you. So that is going to cancel out the third class. And that is about it, guys. So if you need help with your application, or you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, then you have to join my channel membership, or you can join my Patreon community. You can find the link to my Patreon community in the description, or you can use the join button, or you can request for the Patreon link in the comments, and I'll share the link with you guys. And a quick one, if you need help, you can also put it in the comments. I mean, I'm here to serve you guys. If you need help with anything at all, if you want me to do a research in a particular region or in a particular country, you've always wanted to study in maybe France or something, let me know in the comments. Or in Japan, or you want me to look for a school in Japan for you, put it in the comments. I'll help you research. It's fully funded opportunities, yeah, scholarship opportunities. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. In case no one has showed you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, and you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. Take care, guys, and God bless you. Bye for now.